Welcome back. In this video, we are going to solve the rotate list problem, which is number 61 on LeetCode. This is a great problem to practice your understanding of pointers and linked list manipulation. Let's first understand the goal. We are given the head of a linked list, and a number k. Our task is to rotate the list to the right by k places. Essentially, imagine popping the last element off and pushing it to the front, and doing that k times. Here is a visual example. If we have a list from 1 to 5, and k equals 2, the last two nodes, 4 and 5, move to the front. The new order becomes 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. Notice how the internal order of the moved segment stays the same. A key insight is dealing with large values of k. If the list has a length of 5, rotating it 5 times brings it back to the start. So, if k is 12, that is actually the same as rotating it 2 times. We can use the modulo operator to find the effective number of rotations needed. Instead of rotating one by one, which is slow, we will use a smarter approach. We will connect the tail to the head to form a ring, and then cut the ring at the exact spot to form our new list. This reduces the work significantly. First, we need to know the length of the list. We traverse from the head all the way to the last node. While doing this, we keep a pointer to that last node because it is currently the tail and we will need it. Once we are at the tail, we connect its next pointer pointing back to the head of the list. This effectively turns our singly linked list into a circular linked list. Now we can traverse endlessly. Now we need to find where the new tail should be. The formula is simple. Take the length and subtract k modulo length. From the current position, we move that many steps forward to land on the node that will become our new tail. Finally, the node next to our new tail becomes the new head. We save that reference. Then, we set the new tail's next pointer to null. This breaks the circle and restores the linear structure of the list. This solution is very efficient. We traverse the list essentially twice, giving us a time complexity of O of n. Since we are only using a few pointers for the head and tail, the space complexity is O of 1.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.